is a number which can be represented in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, but Q is not equal to 0. So note down please the definition of the rational number. A number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, but Q is not equal to 0. For example, -3 upon 2, 1 upon 5, 0, -6 and 8, etc. You know, a rational number in the form of P upon rational number is a number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, but 0 is not in the form of P upon Q, and -6 is also is not a form of P upon Q, and 8 is also, but a number which can be written not in the form of can be written, so it also can be written in the form of P upon Q, such as 0, it can be 0 upon 1, and -6 also in the -6 upon 1, and 8 also can be written upon 8 upon 1, because if we take 1 as a denominator of any number, there is no effect of any number, its value is not be changed, will not be changed. So you know the rational number is numbers are -3 upon 2, 1 upon 5, 0, -6, 8. All these numbers, as we have read in pre-classes, are the rational number. Okay, so it is the chapter your rational number, and this is the concept of rational number, as we have read all kind number of also decimal number also in the form of rational number, such as 0.3 also is rational number, because it will be 3 upon 10, and 8.5 also a rational number, because it will be 8.85 upon 10, etc. Note down it please. Now our new concept is properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational number. Closure property. Closure property, for knowing the closure property, first of all we remember that in mathematics we have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So if A and B be any rational numbers, then a plus b is a rational number. is the a multiply b a minus b is a rational number. A multiply b is a rational number. But a divided b is not a rational number. Because division of a number by 0 is not defined. So such as 8 upon 0 is undefined. So it is not a rational number. So we conclude that the rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not closed for division, under division. Okay, such as the division of the division of a number by 0 is not defined, so it is not a closed for rational number. And we can say that the rational numbers are not closed for the division. Okay, so it is your property of closure property. So we can say that our rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not for division. That clear? Put down it.